Destroyed. Hurricane Ike. What a bitch. Not our place. Down the street. Street flooding. This poor house. Oh, fuck. I don't know if I can bleep that. These cars think they're fitting through here and they're not.